Finding hair in your brush is normal, we shed, but if a person starts losing an unusual amount of hair, it is a matter of concern. So, if you want to know all about the hair loss, watch this video till the end. Hey guys, Rima's here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all fit and fine. Excessive hair fall can be a troublesome problem. However, if diagnosed right, you can control your hair fall with certain home remedies at your home. There are a number of causes why we face hair loss. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss some of them with you. It could be possible that you are missing some important ingredients in your diet like zinc, iron, copper and proteins. The deficiency of vitamin D is another cause of hair loss. In order to avoid this, just get up and soak some sun. If the thyroid gland, which is at the front of the neck, produces insufficient amount or excessive amount of thyroid hormone, then the hair growth cycle may change. Birth control pills can also trigger hair loss. And other drugs that are associated with hair loss are blood thinners and medicines that treat blood pressure, heart disease, arthritis and depression. Extreme stress can cause sudden hair loss that can last for several months. Minimizing your stress through exercise, meditation and yoga can help minimizing your hair loss. Overtreated hair can also lead to the hair loss due to the toxic chemicals present in dyes and styling products. Similarly, almost all shampoos contain sodium lauryl sulfate and has proven to corrode hair follicles and impede hair growth. It is advisable to stick with the natural shampoos and dyes. A very common cause of hair loss is a hereditary condition that happens with the aging. So now how to control the hair fall? So there are some of the tips that I am going to discuss in this video. It is extremely important to understand your scalp type and choose the right shampoo for your scalp. Also, you need to wash your hair depending upon your scalp. For instance, overwashing hair with a dry scalp can lead to hair fall. Or not washing oily locks thrice or twice a week can lead to the same. So it depends upon your scalp type. Like I always say in my videos, every product does not suit every skin and every scalp. So it is very important to know what is your scalp and which product is nice for you. Further, make sure that your shampoo does not contain sulfates, parabens and silicone that can make your locks more worse and prone to breakage. A good conditioner can work wonders for your locks because conditioner contains amino acids that help to repair your damaged hair, also helps to keep them smooth. Also, you need to feed your hair with plenty of nutrients, particularly proteins and iron. Along with a balanced diet, make sure that you are exercising side by side. Yoga and meditation are helpful in reducing hair fall. Undergoing rigorous hair treatments like straightening, perming and coloring your hair are not going to benefit your tresses. Further, avoid using blow dryers and curling rods on your hair, especially on your wet hair, as they actually boil the water in your hair shaft and make them brittle. Make sure to massage your tresses once a week with the oil that suits your scalp. Oiling improves blood circulation and nourishes the roots. It would be better if you cover your hair after massaging it with a shower cap and just wash it with a mild shampoo after 2 hours. Do not use too many styling products on your hair because in the long run they are going to be proved detrimental to your hair. There are some natural remedies to treat your hair fall and control hair loss. So some of them I have bring just for you and they will not cost you much. Eggs are rich in sulfur, protein, zinc, iodine, phosphorus and selenium which together help to promote hair growth. It is not only a cheap method but also it gives an effective results to your hair. To prepare the mask, separate one white egg in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and honey. Beat the paste and apply it all over from your root to tips. Allow it for 20 minutes on your scalp and just wash it with a mild shampoo. Another remedy to control your hair loss is green tea. The tea is rich in antioxidants that helps and boost your hair growth and prevent hair loss. Soak 2 to 3 tea bags in 1 or 2 cups of hot water depending upon the length of your hair. When this cools, pour this over your scalp and hair while gently massaging your head and rinse it with cool water after an hour. Beetroot is rich in vitamin C and B6, betaine, folate, manganese, and magnesium that are all essential for the hair growth. Besides, it acts as a detoxification agent by helping keep the scalp clean. Boil 7 to 8 beetroot leaves and grind them along with 6 to 7 henna leaves. Apply this paste on your scalp and let it remain for 15 to 20 minutes on your hair before washing it with warm water. Aloe vera is an effective remedy to boost hair growth and prevent hair loss. It is also effective in reducing the problems of itchiness and flaking in your scalp. Take the stalk of the aloe vera and extract the pulp. Apply it to your hair and your scalp and leave it for 45 minutes. Rinse it with the normal water. You can do this 3 to 4 times a week to get the better results. Fenugreek or methi is among the best home remedy to stop hair loss. It repairs the hair follicles and helps in the regrowth of the hair. Soak the fenugreek seeds overnight in water. Grind it to make a fine paste and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave the paste on your head for about 30 minutes and you can also cover it with your shower cap to help it to keep moist. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse it with the normal water and you need not to apply any shampoo. Do it twice a week for a month and just see the results. Indian gooseberry or amla is another remedy to stop your hair loss. One of the causes is the deficiency of vitamin C, and consuming amla will help to strengthen your hair follicles and help to promote the hair growth. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and exfoliating properties, amla helps to promote your hair growth faster, maintain a healthy scalp, and prevents premature graying. Use amla powder with some amount of water to make a paste. Apply it on your hair and scalp. Use a shower cap on your head so that the paste does not get dry out. Keep it for an hour and just rinse it off with the normal water. Coconut milk also helps to prevent hair loss and promote your hair growth because of the protein and essential fats present in it. To prepare the milk, grate a medium-sized coconut and simmer it in the pan for 5 minutes. Strain out the milk and let it cool down. Then add 1 tablespoon of each fenugreek seeds and crushed black pepper to that milk. Apply it on your scalp and your hair. After 20 minutes, rinse it with a mild shampoo. You can also use Greek yogurt and honey and onion juice, but make sure that you are going to prepare it at your home. So yeah, this is all about this video. I hope it was useful for you. The next part of this video, I am going to discuss with you a healthy diet for your hair. Some ingredients you must add in your diet. So stay tuned with me for the next part. And yeah, that's all about. Please stay home and stay safe. And thank you for watching this video. Love you. Bye-bye.